MP3X3. He's number 4 player. Raspace out. Nice shot by the jump shot. 1-0. Ito na mga aspiring J1. 4-0. Nuggets. Rebound na kuha ni number 2 na bitawan yung bola. White ball. Ito na. Locos move. Kumilo. Kumila. Walang tinawag ng foul. Up. White ball. It's number 3. Number 4. 5 seconds to shoot. Up.
Violet bola.
23. Misenyas, hiningi ng bank. It's number 2. Nice bank. Pwede ba primo? Last 3 seconds to shoot. Itinapon. Shot clock violation. Up. Toss of play. Toss of play. Pabanda. In and out. Sa kanila pa rin yung rebound. Pointing pa rin. Up. Stepping on the line. I'm out. Aspiring J1. Stay tuned for the awarding ceremony. Sir, ma'am. Score 1-0. 9 minutes and 9 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Check ball. Play on. Nakalusot, kinaliwa, short. Up. White ball. Locos move by the number 1. Ito, the scoring machine yan. 5 to shoot. Drives in. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Pag-ipit yung depensa. Out of bounds. All right. Last 8 minutes and 40. Silomba. Pumikot. Nakakuha ng foul. Violet ang foul. Akong shooting foul. Bibigyan ng free throw si number 3 player for team jump shot. Miss rebound. In and out. Up. Last touch white. Violet ball. Nice move. Thinking two. Tinilapit. Tinira. Short. Rebound by number 4. To number 3. Toss up play. Toss up play up. Pinahol agad. Foul ang Team Violet. That is your second team foul. Steal by the number 2 player. Nice fake. Nice pass. Nice shot. Nice find. 1-0. 1-0. This is score. Humingi ng Locos. Kanina pa yan. Wala. Rebound by Team Violet. Number 1 player. Bumangga. 5 to shoot. 4-2. Bang! Galing. 3-1. Locos move. Bang! That's white. Violet ball. That's 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot for the team Violet. Head and shoulder fake. Spin move. Spin pass. Fake. Inilapit. In and out. Last 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Lobos po naman. May foul ang tinawag for team Violet. That is your third team foul. Alright, Miss Q, turnover yan for Team White.
Violet pula!
Violet ball, violet ball. Number 2, speed move, they're up. Dalawa. Bumaba, up, up. Foul, Violet. Shooting foul means 1 free throw. Miss rebound. Wap. Malakas. Steal by Team White. Nice move. Bang.
Patay ka.
No good. Rebound by up. Agawan Bukop. Nakuha ni number 2. Speed move up. Foul. White. That is your first team foul. Free throws for number 2, Violet. Yep, pumasok. Last 6 minutes and 40. Lobos mo, Bob. Steal by the Violet team. Or 4, or 2. Shot. Number 3. Drive scene. Okay. Speed move. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin yung rebound. Finally. Iba na ang patangkag. Jump step. Crossover dribble. Crossover pass. Ah, gandang move yun. Free throws for number 4 player for Team Violet. The Spidey, J1, 1 point. 5-4 is the score. Laman ng isa. Last 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Lobos move. Nice stop. Sa kanya pa rin yung pasak. Fake. No good. Gandang depensa yun, no? Number 4. Nakakita ng bomb. Hindi na po ng bola. Wala. Niribaw ng mga nakaputi. Back sa mga nakaputi. Lobos move. Wala. Up. Nakapay palabas. Out Violet. White ball. Go. Alright. Ilapit. Inila. Short. Rebound number 2. Pass number 4. Head and shoulder fake. Fake pass. Grabe yung phone na yun. Ganda ng pasa. Woo! Low post move. Eto na, pamatay sunod. Shot. In and out. To the rescue. Bang! Isa lang. 5-6. 5 minutes and 14. 5 minutes and 14. Bilopa. Inangga. Inira. Walang tawag na foul. Last 5 minutes. Low post move na naman. Tumikot. Inira. Paso. Tabla tayo. 6-0. 4 seconds to shoot. 2. Moving. Last 4 minutes. 44. 4-2. Grabe. Ayun, very shot. Pumasok pa. Tira. Serve. Back to back. Di kaya. Ayaw na niya. Free throw line. No good. Rebound sa kanila pa rin. Second try. In and out. Sa kanila pa rin. Time out. White team.
Aling ko, that's your shot.
Alright, Brett. Play ball. Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining para sa ating ball game. 6-8 is the score. Dalawa lang ang hahabulin ng Team Violet. Miss rebound. Yes! Finally! 9-6 tatlo. Tingnan natin kung anong atake ang gagawin ng mga aspiring Tier 1. Nakalusot, pinasa, kinete, tumira. Gandang play yun. Even go play. Ito na mga kaputi. Tinilapit pa. Tinira, lagpas, rebound, sa kanila pa rin. Nice pass. Nice shot. Nice fake, 4-2. Short, rebound, up. Nice block. Foul. That is your 13th foul for Team Jump Shot. One free throw. Yes. 8-10 is the score. Dalawa lang. Slow post play na naman. Give and go play. Short. Rebound. Sakat na rebound. Grabe. Ang tagtag. Low post play. Speed, pass, fake, pass, shot, in and out. Up, knockout play yun, nice move. 4-2. And dalawa. 2 minutes and 59. Low post bump, steal yan, ng Team Violet. 4-2. In and out. Shot clock, 7 seconds. 5. Block. Inilapit, wala. Sa kanila pa rin yung rebound. Up. May nakuha ang foul. Violet foul. That is your 16th foul, Violet team. Warning for penalty. Free throws to be given by the number 2 scoring machine of Team Jump Shot, the white team. Miss rebound yan, miss rebound. Yes! Nothing but the bottom of the net. Inilapit, number 2. Nice pass! Nag-isa! Hey! Sumobra lang! Nice pass yun! Sayang yan. Balik apak. Speed move. Speed pass. 4-2. Malakas. Rebound sa kanila pa rin. Pasa niya na agaw. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 4-2. In and out. That's one by the 48. Sa wrong pair. Binova. Tinira. Short. Rebound pa rin sa naka-white. White team pa rin. Nice defense. Shot clock 3 seconds. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. Bang! Iba na ang matangkad. Iba na ang nagsistar. Margaret. Crossover dribble. Up. Huli yan. Nice move. Nice play. 10-16 score. 6. 2 at 3 2 points lang yan. Give and go play. Nice shot. 5 na lang. Last 1 minute. Seconds to play. Nice play. 11 up. Penalty. 2 free throws for the number 1 player. One point. One point. Grabe yung bitaw na yan. Up. No good. 7-point lead. Shot clock violation. Plus 32.8 seconds. Up. Number 1, low post play, low post move. Wala. Sa kanila pa rin yung rebound. Jump shot. No good. Congratulations for the white team, the team jump shot.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We're damn going down. Welcome to the